Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites. You're signed into iCloud, Face or Touch ID is enabled, and Wallet is ready. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a payment method. Don't stop to fetch plastic. If you don't have the physical card, choose Enter Card Details manually or select your bank's app option. Make sure your phone has cellular or Wi-Fi. Once done, the wallet will prompt verification steps from your issuer so you can proceed smoothly. Next, focus on verification and alternatives. If you type the card details, watch for your bank's verification request. Commonly, this is an SMS code, email link, or an in-app confirmation. Alternatively, install a prepaid or virtual card app and use its wallet integration to add a virtual card. Once added, it behaves like a normal card. You can also enable Apple Cash by receiving funds via message. Make sure to finish, pick a default card and wallet and perform a small test payment at a contactless terminal or in-app checkout to confirm it works. If the card won't add, update iOS first, then sign out and back into iCloud to refresh settings. Make sure region and date/time are correct. If verification stalls or the issuer blocks enrollment, contact the bank or card provider. Explain you're adding a virtual or manual entry to Apple Wallet and request the specific verification method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.